Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned about empty method of hash, and today we will learn about length method of hash. This length method will return us the size of our hash. It will always return an integer value. Here in example, I have created one hash which contains two key value pairs, and I had performed one method, that is length, on my that key value pair hash, and here it returns 2 because we have two key value pairs available in my example hash. Let's see practical examples of hash method length. Here I am creating one hash variable, that is my hash, and assigning key value pair to my variable. Let's say 1 and its value 1, and my second key, that is 2, and its value. Our hash variable is ready, and now I am using length method of hash on my variable. So my variable name, that is my hash dot method name, that is length, and this will return me the length of my hash. Here we have output as 2 because my hash contains two key value pair. This is our first key value pair and this is our second key value pair. So this is how we can work with hash method length. In next lecture we will learn about key method, or we can say hash key method of hash.